Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for musicians. Let Appointlet handle your scheduling for you. Schedule student-teacher and parent-teacher conferences. Book mentorship sessions between tutors and students. Music studying can be challenging enough. Make scheduling simple with Appointlet. Book stress-free office hours with students. Allow students to easily schedule online classes and webinars. Track and manage your student data in one place. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.